Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy apple and cinnamon muffins, which are just a warming, lovely, super moist, sweet treat. And as always, I've written the blog post, which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So let me talk you through all the ingredients. We've got apples over here. I've got some lovely red apples. You could really use any that you like to in this recipe. This carton of apples was 49 cents, so super budget friendly. I've got some butter here. I chopped it up a few hours ago and I've just been having it in the kitchen in this bowl, just softening up so then it'll be perfect for blending. I'm using demerara sugar, which is just a raw sugar. You can use brown sugar. This is just unrefined cane sugar, so brown sugar, any sugar that you like, just give it lovely flavor. I'm using what's known as bread soda here in Ireland, but it's baking soda, bicarb, it's the same thing. I've got some baking powder just to help the muffins rise a bit. We've got a couple of eggs, and for flour I'm just using plain white flour. You can use wholemeal instead if you want to. For flavor, we've got some vanilla and lovely cinnamon. Have to have apple and cinnamon, just perfect. And I'm going to use milk, but if you can get hold of buttermilk, definitely could use buttermilk instead, or sour cream, or even yogurt as well, whichever you like. Milk just is the super easy option. We've all got milk in our fridge. So now I am just going to put it all together. Before we get started actually preparing the mixture, I've just lined a baking tin with 12 muffin liners, and I've got the oven preheating to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, so it'll come up to temperature by the time I'm ready. We'll start with our butter over here. I've got 125 grams of unsalted butter. We'll add in a half a cup of sugar, and we'll just whisk it until it's creamy. Okay, now we'll add in 2 eggs, teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a cup of milk. And we'll just gently whisk that in. That is perfect. And then we'll add a good teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of bicarb, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and we'll just whisk that in to fully incorporate it. There you go. It smells so good and cinnamony already. Now I'm just gonna remove these out, and we're gonna mix in the flour and the apples. So we're gonna add in 2 cups of flour and just mix it all through. Here we go, so we've got a lovely muffin batter, and now we'll just add in the apples. So for the apples, I've peeled, cored, and very roughly chopped 2 of those lovely red apples. You could grate them if you want. You could do 50-50 grated and chopped if you want to. It is completely up to you, but I'm quite happy with them just like that. So we'll get our muffin batter back over here and just pour in all of the apples, and then just fold the apples through the apple batter, through the muffin batter, so you end up with apples fully distributed around. Okay, that is perfect. And now we'll move them into our muffin tin. So we'll just fill the muffin tin with our lovely apple muffin batter until all of the muffin tin is full of the lovely apple muffin batter. You can see there's apples poking through everywhere there. Now you can make a crumble topping for this if you want. You can just sprinkle a bit more brown sugar over the top. I'm going to leave it just like this as it is, but yeah, if you want to have a bit more of a sugary coating, you can do that. I find it quite sugary and sweet enough as it's been made just like this, and I'm quite happy with the amount that's in here for us. So now it's going to go into the oven for 25 to 35 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. So I will show you once it's done. The apple muffins have come out of the oven and the house smells absolutely heavenly. You can see them speckled there with the apple. If you wanted to, as I said, you could have popped a bit of sugar on top as well, so they got a bit of a crust topping. But yeah, those are my lovely apple muffins. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these apple muffins a try and what you think of them, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe with step-by-step instructions for how to make these lovely sweet treats. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!